Got a couple birds out. This is January 18th, 2026. First time some of these birds have been out in months, because I try to protect them during the winter months from hawks. It's a nice, beautiful day though. We'll see how this goes. We'll let a few of them fly. See, some wants to come out badly. I lost a bird a couple days ago. She's one of my favorites. Her name was Cream, during a funeral flight. And that would hurt. Little Red and Snow, trying to train them on how to get back into the coop. Most of you have seen these birds grow up. You've watched their journey. They're 5 weeks old. They're eating on their own a little bit, but now it's time to train them how to get in and out of this coop. Early January. Normally I don't start this until March, April. But I'm gonna try it out a little early this year. Until next time, thank you for watching.